Have you ever thought, when it comes to mopping floors, there must be a better way? Well, there is, and that's what we're going to investigate today during our product demonstration. And to do that today, we welcome Eric Facklum, the Senior Global Product Manager at the Tennant Company. Eric, thanks for giving up a little of your time today to talk about this product.
Thanks, Jeff. Thanks for having me.
To talk about mops, actually, or maybe just one mop. So if you're ready, let's get started. We know the industry is made up of all types of cleaning companies, organizations, and staff. And one thing they have in common is a need for equipment, tools, and technology to make their work more productive and keep the quality high as well. So, Eric, I understand that Tennant Company has some cutting edge technology to help cleaners with their work. It's called the iMop. Tell us about this and what do we need to know?
Yeah, the iMop product continues to evolve. It's a great solution to replace mop and bucket cleaning. It's a very highly maneuverable device that runs anywhere from 45 to 70 minutes. So you get great runtime, but it's really intended to be used in small space applications where there's obstructions in areas like tables, chairs, on hard floor. So you think about retail applications, food service, healthcare, small spaces that are standalone or small spaces within larger ones. The iMop is a great solution for that.
Very cool. Share with us some of the unique features, maybe never before seen in the industry.
Yeah, it continues to evolve. Like I mentioned, the product, we continue to iterate on some of the ease of use enhancements. So most recently, all the tanks are easily detachable. They're magnetic, so the operator can easily remove them to fill or empty. Pads, brushes, they don't require any tools. You can spin them on and off to change them out. We've made improvements to the XL and double XL designs where there's a balancing mechanism, so the operator doesn't have to bear the weight of the product when it's fully loaded. There's also splash guards, so it keeps the cleaning path in line, makes sure that the mess is consumed. And then some other improvements like antibacterial recovery tanks and extended battery time on some of the machines.
So I have to imagine you have used this yourself. And how's it feel? Is it easy to use?
It is. It's really nice. So, we have 360-degree turn radius, so you can make it as rigid as you'd like with the kickstand and balancing mechanism and do, straight passes, or you can easily maneuver around obstacles. I've used it in my home myself, in other applications within our facilities and others, and it's been great every time. The experience is terrific. The feedback has been phenomenal. Very easy to use, very intuitive with the control panel, as well as the maneuvering of the machine since it is a smaller footprint.
Mm-hmm. It looks fun to run. I have to think maybe the biggest problem is when facilities or companies buy these, they're going to fight over them.
Yeah, for sure. It definitely is a big change from a mop and bucket. The time savings, the efficiency, the effectiveness. It is a fun device to operate. It still has kind of that mopping feel. You can maneuver back and forth, but with the brushes propelling the machine, it makes work a lot easier.
Sure. So I think we all know that the traditional mop is everywhere. Every custodial closet, every home, every building, they have it, the string mops or the flat microfiber mops. So why should people consider this instead?
That's a great question. For a number of reasons. That you think about the quality of clean with a mop and bucket, you're using kind of a single source of water typically, versus these devices have a clean or solution tank and a recovery tank. So you're getting a more effective clean. It's far more efficient, typically about 1/6 the amount of time to clean the same space with a mechanized solution. It's safer because it's drier, so it's suctioning the water right away, preventing any slip hazards, as it doesn't leave anything behind. It's more eco-friendly as well with the reduction of water usage or solution usage for the clean. A number of other reasons, but we're seeing a big transition to the mechanized cleaning for all of them.
All right, good details. Lastly, people want to know more, maybe how much it costs or maybe a demonstration. Where can they get this information?
Yeah, they can go to our website, reach out to us, and we're happy to engage with one of our sales representatives. Can provide a demonstration or more literature on the product.
All right. Well, thank you for your time. Great information and maybe a game changer in the mopping industry.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Jeff.